We also have one more type of conditional statement, that is the switch statement. A switch statement is generally used when you want to choose between more than 3 alternatives. Then you write a switch statement. Example, I want to make a telecalling application where, if you might have heard, it always goes like press 1 for English, press 2 for Hindi. So I want that automatically based upon what you are typing, the language should be chosen. Okay, so I will say I want a choice out here. So I'll say int choice for various languages. You can write it any name, does not matter. Okay, out here I'll just say scanner SC. So I'm taking the value from the user, new scanner, and it will come from the keyboard, that's why system.in, right? Okay, so these are basics now. So I'll say system.out.println. I'll ask him to please select a language, where if I want in the same statement I want to write something else, so I'll say /n, press 1 for English. Okay, I am giving him another option, so I'll say press 2 for French, then press 3 for Hindi. So I'm giving him 3 options. So there is English, French and Hindi. Okay, fine. So you've selected these. Now what I wanted to do, okay, then I will go and I will say please take whatever input has come, choice, put it in sc.next int. So it's going to go again in the choice box. Okay, then I will switch this choice. Okay, if the case is 1, that means if the user has selected English, so I will say system.out.println hello. So that's English, correct? And then I will break. Fine. Next, if the case is Hindi, that means, sorry, what was 2 was, if I'm not wrong, French, right? So I wanted to print bonjour, so I'll say system.out.println, right? Okay, and then I'll break. The third case was Hindi case. So if I go and I check, press 3 for Hindi, so we will go and choose a case 3. I will say system.out.println namaste for Hindi, right? So we selected all the 3 types of cases. If user has pressed 4 or 5 or something like which is not there in the language section, it will go to the default case and it will say system.out.println wrong language selected, correct? Okay, and then it will basically stop the application. So if I compile, there's no syntax errors out here, we will close this. Okay, go out here and just execute this. Press 1 for Hindi, press 2 for French, press 3 for Hindi. So I will say I want to see in French, so 2, bonjour. Similarly, if I try to re-execute and I press 1, hello. If I press anything that is not between 1 to 3, so if I open this again and I press like 7 is not there, wrong language selected. So this is how the switch case works.